Hello students, welcome to our next library virtual lecture. Today we are going to read very interesting story of Vikram Betal. Long ago, King Vikramaditya ruled over Ujjain. He was a just and fearless king. He was not scared of anyone. He took great care of his people. Every day a hermit means a person who prefers to live alone, especially for the religious reason. We can say them saint. Would give the king a custard apple and go away saying nothing. King Vikram would take the fruit and give it to his cashier. This continued for 10 years. How many years? 10 long years. However, one day King Vikram gave the fruit to a monkey. When the monkey began to eat the fruit, a precious gem fell from inside it. King Vikramaditya immediately called his cashier and asked, "What did you do with the fruits which I gave you?" The cashier replied, "Maharaj, I have kept them in the royal treasury. All of them turned rotten and each one had an expensive gem inside." King Vikram began to think about it. Next day, when the hermit came, he asked, "O saint, for the past 10 years, you have been presenting me valuable gems without saying a word. May I know the reason?" The hermit spoke for the first time. "Rajan, I am going to perform a yajna." This is Y-A-J-N-A. It pronounced yajna. That means yagna. Yajna means Hindu saints chanting mantras around the fire altar. Yajna were used to seek rain, victory in battles, or peace in surroundings. In Hindu, we call yagna. I need the help of a brave king like you to perform the yajna successfully. I promise to help you. Tell me, how can I help you?" asked King Vikramaditya. "The night after 7 days from today is new moon night. In the center of cremation ground. Cremation ground is a place where dead bodies burnt or buried. Where dead bodies are buried. There is a banyan tree. I will be waiting for you there that night. Then I will tell you what to do," said the hermit. "All right, I will meet you there," promised the king. The hermit went away happily. On the new moon night, King Vikram marched towards the cremation ground. When he reached there, he saw bones, skeletons, skulls, and flesh lying there. Noises of wild animals like mourning jackals and wolves were heard. There was darkness all around. King Vikram walked through the land without any fear. He reached the banyan tree where he had to meet the hermit. The hermit was meditating. He was performing yagna. He was chanting mantras. King Vikram did not disturb him. The hermit opened his eyes and welcomed the king. Vikram went close to the hermit and said, "Oh saint, tell me, what can I do for you?" Rajan, I am thankful to you that you have kept your promise. Now go towards the southernmost corner, that means south side of that corner of this ground. There you will find a banyan tree. A corpse is hanging on it. Corpse means a dead body. You have to bring it to me over here. I am trying to get some difficult and important powers. For that, I have to sit on that corpse and perform the rituals. Rituals means puja. Only a king can do this difficult work, and therefore I have chosen you, mighty king, said the hermit. King Vikram accepted the challenge and walked towards the south to bring the corpse. On reaching the banyan tree, he saw a corpse hanging from branch. He climbed up the tree with great difficulty. King Vikram could catch the corpse. He kept the corpse on his shoulder, climbed down and started walking towards the hermit. He had not gone far when a voice coming from the dead body said, "You have worked hard to fetch me. You must be very tired. Let me tell you a story. But remember one thing, don't speak. If you open your mouth, then I will go away." King Vikram did not say anything but thought, the corpse has a Vetal. Vetal, that's vampire in it. So this is how King Vikramaditya met Vetal. Vetal used to tell him different stories. At the end, he used to ask questions related to the stories. As soon as King Vikram opens his mouth, the Vetal flew away back to his home, the banyan tree. So, this was the beautiful story of Vikram Vetal. Hope you all have enjoyed. Thank you. Stay safe.